In this video, we're going to be creating an event similar to our onConnected, but for our onDisconnected, so that whenever we're disconnected, we get sent back to the main menu. So let's go ahead and create that event real quick. And I'm going to copy this up here and change it from one param to just a normal delegate, just like so. Now we have our blueprint assignable. Do that again. And let's change it to F disconnected. Change F connected to disconnected. I'm going to actually do the same. No, I want to leave that for now so I don't get any annoying issues. So we're going to do F disconnected, disconnected. Over here where we have our on disconnected implementation, do disconnected dot broadcast, like so, and compile. Probably going to have some annoying little IntelliSense things, but it should compile just fine. All right, what did I miss? Let's see. Look. What are the parameters? What I'm wondering. I hate that doesn't actually pick it up. Come on, IntelliSense. That's where I get annoyed. Since you don't want to work, I'm going to Google it. Well, that doesn't help all that much. Actually, unless it's just the type, which it might be. Let's try. Wow. All right, so that seems to be why. Now, I'm going to go ahead and change F connected to just connected, or on connected. So I'm going to change this to on disconnected. So on connected and on disconnected are now set. To delete this event and delete the bind and recompile. I gotta shut down the editor for this. And once it's compiled, we should have two events that we can easily bind, and I missed one. So once we, yeah, like I said, once it's compiled, right, let's see, 4, oh, right, let's see, we can index it with a D to indicate that's a delegate. So D on connected. I'll just keep it with the F. That'll be fine. And compile. As it would interfere with our functions. Okay, good to go. Now we should have two delegates to rebind. We'll just simply link the unconnected right back up. And for the on disconnected, we'll take a custom path. So for our client beacon, do on connected, so bind event to F on connected. I'm gonna add a custom event. Let's do on connected and link it up. Do the same thing. Do on disconnected, so bind event to on disconnected. And when we're disconnected, we're gonna get our widget switcher. And set the active index to 0. And we want to destroy the client beacon, which I believe our leave lobby function does. Yes. So that's kind of like a little bit of a fail-safe, so to speak. And let's give it a try. So hopefully now, when the host disconnects from the server, it kicks all the clients out, it should kick the clients back to the main menu. Here. Yep, we're right back at the main menu. And try again. Back to host game, connect to it again. Kick those back, and it kicked us back right to the main menu. Just like we wanted. All right. So it was as simple as that, is literally just making an event. Well, a blueprint, binding our C++ event to blueprint, essentially. Dirt easy. Right, so now that that is all set up, should probably clean this up a bit. Oh well. We'll start doing all that later. But we are good to go. It's really starting to come along and be really nice and clean. I think we're about at the point where we can start actually working on the lobby data sharing. So for example, when the host changes a map, or the map, or when the client joins initially, we send the current map information or the current lobby information to that client. Something along those lines. That'll probably be next, but it's 2:53 in the morning and I'm tired and my computer is just struggling for some reason. So anyways, that is all for now, and I'll see you in the next one. Start having a little bit more fun.